Good morning children, I welcome you to your EPS class and today I am going to teach you how to be safe. The topic's name is Be Safe. For that you will have to take out your My Best Book number 4 and English chapter 7 from it, okay? Chapter 7 and the page number is 2 and the topic name is Be Safe. So come children, let's learn how to be safe. So children, as you can see, we are in the topic Be Safe and page number is 2. So in this picture, you will have to find out and circle those things. If you touch them, you will get burnt. Okay. So here it is, gas. When the gas is operating or it is on, you should not touch it because you might burn yourself. Then the iron or the press, when it is hot and steaming, do not touch it or you will burn yourself. Now this is a barbecue or a tandoor and you should not touch it while it is on fire or you will burn yourself. Now this is an electric kettle. You should not touch it because it is very hot. Now this is a hot cup of tea or coffee. You should not touch it or you may burn yourself. Now, Meena was playing with scissors. She cut her finger. Abhay was trying to light a candle. He burnt his fingers. Nitya was running on the road. She fell and hurt her knees. Now can you tell me children why Meena, Abhay and Nitya were hurt or Meena cut her finger, Abhay burnt his finger, Nitya hurt her knees. Why? This happened because they were careless or they were not careful while Meena was playing with scissors. She was not careful, so she cut her finger. While Abhay was lighting the candle, he was not careful, so he burnt his finger. Nitya was running on the road and she was not careful and she fell down and hurt her knees. Now, why did Meena, Abhay and Nitya get hurt? They got hurt because they were not careful about their safety, as I told you. By following certain safety rules, we can avoid getting hurt. So we can stop ourselves from getting hurt if we follow the safety rules. Come to the next page. Safety at home. How can you stay safe at home? We feel safe at home, but if we are not careful, we can hurt ourselves even inside our home. So children, don't think that you will only get hurt when you are outside your home. You may also get hurt if you are not careful inside your home as well, okay? Do not play with electric wires and plugs. You may get a shock. Make sure you never play with that. Never try to play with electric wires or plugs. You will get a shock. You may not. I will say you will get a shock. If also you are nearby, make sure that an adult is supervising on you, okay? Never play with sharp items like knife, scissors or cutter. You may cut yourself. Don't ever play with sharp objects like knife, scissors, cutters, blade and all these things. You may cut your finger because you don't know how to use them, right? And if you have to use them, make sure an elder is there to guide you with it, okay? Do not try to climb on high surface like windows or shelves. You may fall down. Do not ever try to climb on shelves for something or on windows. You may slip and you may fall down and break your body parts. Now, do not leave your things like book or toys on the floor. You may trip over them. See, sometimes what happens, you keep your toy, after playing you keep your toy wherever you played, you just leave it there and you go. That is not right. What you should do, you should always pick it up and put it inside the box from where you took it out. Otherwise you will only trip on it and you will fall. Now what do you mean by trip? Trip in Odia means jhuntiba. Okay, jhuntiba. And I am sorry, I don't know in Hindi. Thokar khana. In Hindi it is thokar kha ke gir jana. Okay. Now, never play with fire or hot items. You may get burns or blisters. Do not ever play with gas or hot water or anything that is hot or is on fire, because you may burn yourself or you may get blisters. Now, what is blisters? Blister is futka, foda. Okay. So make sure you don't play with them, otherwise you will hurt yourself. Even in Diwali, make sure when you are bursting the crackers, your elders are there with you to help you with it. Okay. Now let's come to safety on road. Do not run or play on the road. Road is meant for the cars and the vehicles to move. So don't run and play on the road. Whoever plays cricket and badminton on road, it's wrong. It's a strict no. Don't do it. Always walk on the footpath. Footpath is the place meant for pedestrians or the people who walk. They should walk on footpath. It is not meant for us to walk on the road. So always walk on the footpath. It is not 100% safe, but it is very safe. Before crossing a road, first look to your left, then to your right, and then again to your left. If there is no traffic coming from either side, cross the road. So always make sure first you look towards your left. This is your left side. Then you look towards your right. Then again you look towards your left. If there is no car or no vehicle coming, then only cross the road. And make sure you cross the road on the zebra crossing only. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Now what is the zebra crossing? The white strips on the road is the zebra crossing. It is nearby the traffic light, so that those people who walk can cross the road. Okay. But you must have seen people stop their car on the zebra crossing. That is wrong. You should not do it. If your parents are doing that, stop them from doing that. Okay. Use a subway to cross the road if there is one. If there is a subway, use that to cross the road. It is an underground way, so that you can go underground and you can come to the other part of the road. You don't have to walk on the road. Now, safety while traveling. What all you should do while you are traveling? Wear helmet while riding a bike or a cycle. Always wear a helmet while you are riding a bike, a cycle, a scooter. Okay. Do not take out your arm or head from inside the vehicle while traveling. Do not do this. Do not take out your head or your arms out of the car window while you are traveling, or some other vehicle may pass and you may lose your hand, or you might get an injury on your head. So don't do it. Do not stand inside a moving vehicle without holding on something. When you are standing on the bus or a moving vehicle, make sure you hold on to a seat or the rods inside that. Okay. Otherwise, if the bus driver will brake the car or put a brake on the bus, then you might fall. Wait for the vehicle to stop completely before getting on or getting off. Whenever the bus is on the road, make sure that it stops. Then you get on the bus or you get off the bus. Get on means get inside the bus. Get off means come out of the bus. Okay. Safety in the playground. Play inside a park or playing area only. Do not play on the road. Play in the playing area only. So children, make sure you do not play on swings that are not in good condition. It may break and you may fall down. Okay. So make sure you don't play on swing that is not in good condition. Do not climb the slides from the front side. Do not climb the slide from the front side. Always climb it from the ladder or the back of the slide. Okay. Do not get close to a swing if it is being used by someone else. If someone else is swinging, don't go close to the swing or you will get a kick. Okay. If you or someone else gets hurt, do not panic. Call an adult for help. Make sure that if you find someone is hurt or you hurt yourself, do not panic. Call someone for help. Call an elder for help. The help or treatment provided for immediate relief from an injury is called first aid. Now what is first aid? The immediate help that you get whenever you are hurt or you met with an accident, then that is called first aid. Okay? So children, the chapter is over. Hope you understood it well. So keep practicing and reading it for better knowledge. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.